Hey guys, welcome to channel, and today we will discuss about the concept of binomial distribution. Right? It's nothing but part of Bernal distribution. लेकिन Bernal distribution is just doing it for one time. It's mean you said the n is equal to 1, but so in binomial distribution we uh, we doing that thing in multiple times. Is in simple term you say n is equal to maybe 1 2 3 4 5 6 or multiple times, right? This is nothing but a binomial distribution. Okay, it's talking about the binomial distribution. It's a discrete random variable. Discrete random variable. Second one is nothing is a every outcome is a binary. Every outcome is binary. And third one is this experiment performed number of time. This experiment perform number of time, right? Let's consider the example. Flip the coin 10 times. This is nothing but binary, right? So we talk about this notation. The notation for binomial distribution is nothing but b is n by p, right? This is a notation for binomial distribution. So that will done, and let's be understand about that thing, right? Talk about the parameter n is belonging to the 1 2 3 to the n, right? Similarly p belonging to the 0 to 1 is a success probability for each time. Is a success probability for each time. Success probability for each time, right? And similarly suppose we have k, so k also belonging to the 1 2 and n time. This is your parameter for a binomial distribution, right? It's a number of successes, right? This is a parameter for a binomial distribution. Okay, similarly if you talk about the PMF for the binomial distribution is nothing but probability of n k p, right? Is nothing but c k n divided by p to the power k 1 minus p k minus n minus k. This is for calculate the PMF for a binomial distribution, right? This is nothing but combination, right? Combination of probability and number of experiments. Okay, so for k is equal to 1 2 and n, So combination of C is nothing but k to the power n is equal to n factorial k factorial n minus k factorial. This is a different formula for this combination for of k and n, right? So let's get started and calculate the mean for the binomial distribution. For the mean is nothing but n into q, right? And for the variance is nothing but n p q, right? And similarly for a standard deviation, is nothing but under root n p and q. This is a formula for mean of PMF, variance and standard deviation, right? So let's get started and understand with the example how this all perform and how the all of this work, right? So let's start in the flip a coin for a 5 time, flipping a coin for 5 time, right? The probability of success, so in that case probability of success is 0.5. It's mean you say the 1/2, right? Similarly the number of success of k, number of success is nothing but k is vary from 0 to 5, right? Is vary from 0 to 5. And what is question is what is probability of getting 3 head in 5 flips, right? So, now let's calculate the probability of x k is equal to 3 is nothing but combination of k to n and 0, combination of k to n and is nothing but k 1 minus p to n to k is nothing but 3 to 5, right? 3 to 5 0.5 3 and 1 minus 0.5 is 5 minus 3. This is nothing but 0.3125. This is a example of binomial distributions. I hope you understand this binomial distribution and how to calculate them.